Asia, a continent brimming with diverse cultures and traditions, is a paradise for food lovers. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant night markets of Taipei, the aromas of delicious food waft through the air. Two culinary giants dominate this landscape: hot pot and street food. Both offer an explosion of flavors, but each boasts unique characteristics. Join me, Chef Stefini, on a culinary adventure as I dive into the heart of these Asian favorites. Imagine a simmering pot of flavorful broth, bubbling away at your table, surrounded by fresh ingredients. That's hot pot, a culinary tradition deeply ingrained in many Asian cultures. From the spicy Szechuan hot pot to the subtle Cantonese hot pot, the variations are endless. But the essence remains the same: a communal dining experience where friends and family gather around a shared pot. Step onto the bustling streets of any Asian city, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells, the intoxicating aroma of street food. From steaming baskets of dumplings to sizzling skewers of grilled meats, the options are as diverse as the cultures they represent. Street food is more than just a quick bite. It's a reflection of a country's culinary heritage, passed down through generations of street vendors. In Thailand, you'll find vendors whipping up pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish bursting with tangy, sweet, and savory flavors. Venture to Japan, and you'll encounter stalls selling takoyaki, crispy octopus balls drizzled with a savory sauce. Each country, each city, boasts its unique street food treasures, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the local culture and cuisine. First stop, our journey into the heart of hot pot begins not in a bustling city, but amidst the rugged landscapes of Mongolia. Picture nomadic tribes traversing vast plains, their livelihood dependent on their herds. In this harsh environment, practicality reigned supreme. A simple metal pot suspended over an open fire became their kitchen. Meat, often mutton or beef, was readily available. They cooked it in boiling water, adding whatever foraged vegetables or herbs they could find. This was not just sustenance, it was a way of life. The shared pot, a symbol of their unity and resilience against the elements. From humble beginnings to imperial tables, hot pot has quite the story. Over time, what began as a nomadic tradition found its way into the heart of Chinese civilization. During the Han Dynasty, hot pot evolved. No longer just a necessity, it became a culinary art form. Bronze vessels, intricately designed, replaced the simple metal pots. The rise of the Yuan dynasty, founded by Kublai Khan, saw hot pot reach new heights. Influenced by Mongolian traditions, hot pot became a favorite in the imperial court. Exotic ingredients, spices from the Silk Road, and elaborate presentations elevated it to a symbol of wealth and status. A symbol of unity and prosperity, hot pot's enduring legacy is quite remarkable. Despite its imperial associations, hot pot never lost its common touch. Across China, from bustling cities to rural villages, families and friends continued to gather around the simmering pot. It transcended social barriers, a shared experience that brought people together. The tradition continued to evolve. Regional variations emerged, each with its own unique broth, ingredients, and dipping sauces. Szechuan hot pot, known for its fiery spices, became a favorite for those who craved a culinary adventure. Cantonese hot pot, with its emphasis on fresh seafood and delicate flavors, appealed to those seeking a more refined experience. Beyond borders, hot pot's global journey is fascinating. Hot pot's popularity wasn't confined to China. As trade routes flourished and cultural exchange increased, hot pot began to spread its influence. It journeyed along the Silk Road, captivating taste buds in Central Asia, the Middle East, and beyond. Each region embraced hot pot, adapting it to their local ingredients and culinary preferences. In Japan, shabu shabu emerged, featuring thinly sliced meats and a focus on fresh vegetables. Korean hot pot, known as jeongol, became known for its bold flavors and communal cooking style. Second stop, a culinary tapestry woven through time, the ancient roots of street food. The tantalizing aroma of street food, a symphony of spices and sizzling delights, is not a modern invention. Its roots reach deep into antiquity, a testament to humanity's enduring love affair with food that is both delicious and accessible. Imagine, if you will, the bustling marketplaces of ancient Greece. Here, amidst the vibrant chaos, vendors hawked their wares. Simple yet satisfying fare, designed to fuel the bodies and spirits of weary travelers and hardworking laborers. Grilled meats, seasoned with herbs and spices, offered a burst of savory flavor. Freshly baked bread, still warm from the oven, provided sustenance, and for those with a sweet tooth, honey-laden pastries offered a decadent treat. From ancient Greece to the streets of Asia, a global phenomenon. The concept of street food, born out of necessity and a desire for culinary delights, transcended borders and cultures. As trade routes flourished, connecting the East and West, so too did culinary traditions. From the bustling marketplaces of ancient Rome to the vibrant night markets of Tang Dynasty China, street food evolved, adapting to local ingredients and culinary preferences. In Asia, street food found fertile ground, blossoming into a culinary art form. The continent's diverse cultures, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients, embraced the concept of street food, transforming it into a reflection of their culinary heritage. From the spicy curries of Thailand to the savory dumplings of China, street food became an integral part of the social fabric. More than just a meal, the cultural significance of street food. Street food is more than just a quick bite, it's a window into the soul of a culture. It's a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of street vendors, who transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. It's a reflection of a country's history, its trade routes, and its cultural influences. In Vietnam, the banh mi sandwich, a fusion of French and Vietnamese flavors, tells the story of colonialism and culinary adaptation. In India, the ubiquitous samosa, a crispy pastry filled with savory potatoes and peas, reflects the country's rich vegetarian traditions. And in Thailand, pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish bursting with tangy, sweet, and savory flavors, embodies the country's love affair with bold and aromatic cuisine. The allure of street food lies not just in its taste, but in the entire sensory experience. The sights, sounds, and smells of a bustling street food market are a feast for the senses. The sizzle of meat hitting a hot grill, the aroma of spices wafting through the air, the vibrant colors of fresh produce on display. It's an immersive experience that engages all your senses. And then there's the social aspect. Street food is meant to be shared, enjoyed with friends and strangers alike. It's a culinary adventure, a chance to sample a variety of dishes and discover new favorites. It's an opportunity to connect with local culture, to interact with vendors, and to experience the true heart of a city. Bringing all together, hot pot and street food, two culinary titans of Asia, offer a diverse symphony of flavors, each note carefully crafted to tantalize taste buds. Hot pot, a communal feast, explodes with customizable flavors. The broth, the soul of the pot, sets the stage. Imagine a fiery Szechuan broth, tingling with Szechuan peppercorns, or a fragrant Thai tom yum, bursting with lemongrass and chili. Street food, on the other hand, is a kaleidoscope of immediate flavors, ready to ignite your senses from the first bite. Picture tender skewers of grilled chicken yakitori, glazed with a sweet and savory teriyaki sauce, or the crispy crunch of a Vietnamese banh mi, its pickled vegetables and savory fillings creating a burst of flavor. Hot pot offers a journey of flavors, evolving as ingredients simmer in the broth, while street food delivers an immediate punch, a flavor bomb ready to explode in your mouth. The beauty of both hot pot and street food lies in their use of fresh, often locally sourced ingredients. Hot pot boasts an array of fresh vegetables, meats, and seafood, all prepped and ready to be cooked in the simmering broth. Thinly sliced meats from beef to lamb cook quickly, absorbing the rich flavors of the broth. Street food, often prepared with limited space and time, relies on quick cooking ingredients and bold flavor combinations. Think marinated meats, vibrant spices, and fresh herbs, all coming together to create a symphony of flavors. From the aromatic herbs in a Vietnamese pho to the fiery chilies in a Thai green curry, each ingredient plays a vital role. Both cuisines showcase the bounty of Asian ingredients, transforming simple elements into culinary masterpieces. The art of cooking, Hot pot versus street food techniques. Cooking in both hot pot and street food is an art form, a dance of precision and timing. Hot pot is an interactive experience where diners become chefs, controlling the cooking of their food. The simmering broth, carefully maintained at a steady boil, becomes their canvas. Street food vendors, masters of efficiency, often work in small spaces with limited equipment. Their tools are an extension of themselves, whether it's the well-seasoned wok used for stir-frying noodles or the sizzling charcoal grill used to cook skewers of meat to perfection. Each dish is a testament to their skill, honed over years of practice. Hot pot allows for a personalized cooking experience, while the mastery of street food lies in the vendor's ability to create culinary magic in an instant. Dining rituals of hot pot and street food. Hot pot and street food offer unique dining experiences. Hot pot is a leisurely, shared experience. Gather with friends around a steaming pot. Street food is quick bites and bustling energy. Navigate a crowded night market, savoring quick meals. One is a slow dance of flavors, the other a tango of instant gratification. The social symphony, sharing, gathering, and culinary conversations. Both hot pot and street food are inherently social dining experiences, but they foster different kinds of interactions. Hot pot embodies the spirit of sharing. You cook together, dipping your chosen morsels into the communal pot, your chopsticks a ballet of communal cooking. Street food, while often enjoyed on the go, can also spark spontaneous connections. Whether it's the shared intimacy of a hot pot gathering or the chance encounters of street food dining, both offer a taste of social connection. Beyond the bite, the atmosphere and ambiance surrounding your meal play a crucial role in shaping the dining experience. Hot pot often takes place in a restaurant or home, a dedicated space designed to enhance the communal dining experience. The air is alive with the murmur of conversation, the clinking of chopsticks, and the comforting hum of the simmering pot. Street food immerses you in the heart of a city's energy. The sights, sounds, and smells of the street become part of the experience. You might find yourself enjoying your meal perched on a plastic stool, the rumble of traffic a constant backdrop. Or you could be strolling through a night market, the air filled with music and laughter. Hot pot offers a sense of warmth and intimacy. Street food, an exhilarating dose of urban energy. Ultimately, the choice between hot pot and street food is a matter of personal preference and occasion. Craving a leisurely dining experience with friends, where you control the cooking and the conversation flows as freely as the drinks? Hot pot is your answer. Looking for a quick, flavorful bite that immerses you in the heart of a city's culinary scene? Street food beckons with its endless options and vibrant energy. Both offer a unique window into Asian cuisine, each bite a testament to the continent's rich culinary tapestry. So, which reigns supreme? Hot pot or street food? It's a close call. Each offers a unique and unforgettable dining experience, but street food might have a slight edge. Street food is everywhere in Asia. It's the lifeblood of bustling cities and sleepy villages. A culinary adventure always within reach. Hot pot requires more commitment. It's best savored with time and good company. A rewarding culinary adventure. The truth is, there's no need to choose between hot pot and street food. Why limit yourself to just one when you can experience the best of both worlds? Embrace the diversity of Asian cuisine and embark on a culinary adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and broadens your cultural horizons. Seek out the fiery thrills of Szechuan hot pot, the delicate flavors of Cantonese hot pot, or the aromatic broths of Thai hot pot. Sample the crispy delights of Vietnamese spring rolls, the savory satisfaction of Japanese ramen, or the spicy kick of Thai green curry. Let your curiosity guide you, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The beauty of Asian cuisine lies in its ability to surprise and delight. Each dish tells a story, a testament to generations of culinary tradition and innovation. So, open your mind, grab your chopsticks, and prepare to be amazed. As we conclude our culinary showdown, one thing is clear. Both hot pot and street food deserve a place at the table. They are more than just meals. They are cultural experiences, social gatherings, and culinary adventures rolled into one. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the bustling streets of Bangkok, the vibrant markets of Hong Kong, or the charming alleys of Kyoto, remember this: adventure awaits on every corner. Embrace the unknown, savor the flavors, and let your taste buds guide you on a journey of culinary discovery. Remember, the best way to truly experience a culture is through its food. And when it comes to Asian cuisine, both hot pot and street food offer a delicious and unforgettable bite of authenticity. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.